This is indictment number 4 for Trump. He's racked them up in less than 6 months. This latest one out of Georgia is a sweeping, almost 100-page indictment that outlines a slew of charges for the 19 people involved, including the former president. Fox 5's Antwan Lewis is here now with a breakdown. Antwan.
Again, this is the 4th indictment in less than 6 months, and according to legal experts, it is also the most incriminating.
Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis unveiled the indictment just before midnight Monday. 98 pages accusing former President Trump and his allies of desperately trying to retain the White House.
The defendants engaged in a criminal racketeering enterprise to overturn Georgia's presidential election result.
Trump and 18 others are charged with multiple counts of conspiracy, making false statements, and even the RICO Act. The document alleges that Trump and the other defendants charged in this indictment refused to accept that Trump lost, and they knowingly and willfully joined a conspiracy to unlawfully change the outcome of the election in favor of Trump. In a statement, the Trump campaign labeled Fulton County DA Fani Willis a rabid partisan and called the charges fabricated accusations. Willis, unbothered by the verbal attack and standing by the grand jury process.
I make decisions in this office based on the facts and the law. The law is completely nonpartisan.
Of the now 4 criminal cases he's facing, the Georgia charges are viewed as the most damning. Arguably the centerpiece of the prosecutor's case, a recorded phone call where Trump told Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger,
"I just want to find 11,780 votes."
the number of votes needed to flip Georgia from Biden blue to Trump red. Some of the other defendants, including one-time personal attorney Rudy Giuliani and former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, may face pressure to testify against the former president. Meantime, Trump's legal team is questioning how a copy of the indictment appeared on the court's website hours before it was officially unsealed.
I am not an expert on clerks' duties or even administrative duties. I wouldn't know how to work that system, and so I'm not going to speculate. Next question.
Mr. Trump plans to hold a news conference from Bedminster on Monday, where he says he will reveal evidence of voter fraud. Nonetheless, he has to surrender to authorities by next Friday. Natasha?
All right, Antwan, thank you.